Hey guys, today I'm gonna be comparing three browsers. So this is a follow-up of my video that I did earlier comparing Firefox, Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So this time I'm gonna compare their early builds or dev builds. So I'm gonna be comparing Microsoft Edge Canary, Google Chrome Canary and Firefox Nightly. So let's start with Firefox Nightly. I hope it's updated. And I have a few doubts that it's not updated, so let's just start with Edge Canary. Yeah, that wasn't open. That wasn't updated. Let's just open the Edge Canary. I am running this on a system with an Intel i3 8th gen. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Speedometer 2.0 test. And it has opened BIM. So BrowserBench. And I am not gonna be recording the video, the test, since it might take up the resources, so it might be unfair. And I am going to be running it in full screen. Okay, this is a shock result. It's much higher than the regular Edge on the same system. And go watch that video before this one so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna be comparing the browsers, the normal version versus the dev version, and the dev browsers themselves. So now let's move on to Chrome Canary. I think the results should be around the same. The results should be around the same, really. And yeah, I'm just stopping the recording and doing the test. Okay, this is even more impressive. And this is not how the normal browsers went. Again, watch that video so you know what I'm talking about. Let's now go to Firefox Nightly. Let me just open it. Yeah. So earlier I used to use this as my main browser, but then I switched over to the regular Firefox. And I'll see you after the test. This is a bit lower than the others, but Firefox doesn't usually do well here. And now I'll show you the results in a few moments. But before I show you the results, please do make sure to subscribe, like and share.